If you run a home service business, here's the honest truth. When a homeowner needs help, they go to Google, and in that moment, either you show up or you get skipped. They are not comparing 10 companies, they're calling the first few they see. So if your schedule feels uneven, busy one week, slow the next, it's usually not because you're doing anything wrong, it's because you're not showing up consistently across your service area. I'm Alex, the founder of Map Ranking, and in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how I fixed this visibility problem for home service businesses using systems and the strategies that work in 2026. So if the only calls you have been getting lately are people asking for a job, don't worry. We'll help you bring the customer calls too.
But when I call Matt Ranking, these guys, I could call them anytime. I could ask them a question. I could do whatever. They'll answer.
Alejandro is someone that we definitely recommend to build a very successful website.
They've been working on my website and my SEO and making sure that I'm showing up at the top and getting more leads and more phone calls.
Alejandro has boosted my business from 0 to 100.
I know you're not sitting there thinking, I need more SEO or I need more marketing. You're thinking, I just want a steady number of calls every week. So let's talk about what's actually happening behind the scenes. People are searching every day. The demand is there, but Google only shows a few businesses at the top. And those results change based on where the customer is located. Most businesses show up in one small pocket of town, usually near their office, but 10 minutes away, that's when they disappear. So your phone calls feel random, not because the demand is random, but because your visibility is not consistent across your service area. It's important to understand this. The goal is never more traffic. The goal is simple. Show up where they're searching, get the call, book the job. Think about what a homeowner actually does if their AC dies. They don't call the entire family asking for a referral. They don't spend days researching how to fix their AC. They grab their phone, they type in AC repair near me, and they call. The same with plumbing, the same with electrical, and almost every trade. The average marketing expert that you're used to working with would say, we need to fix your website and do SEO. But what does that actually mean? Most of the time, all they're thinking is, I'll tweak your website and then wait for months to see what happens. The way I look at it, there's only one question that matters. What's stopping me from getting more calls from the people in my service area? 99% of the time, it comes down to two simple things: systems and execution. From day one, we will install the systems that you must have to grow to the next level. The same systems that I've used for multi-million-dollar companies that I work with. A CRM, a phone call tracking and recording, AI-powered automations, and a review generation system. Once the right systems are in place, the game becomes about execution. We deploy our apps, the Map Check-ins and Map Ranking Booster, alongside with a 12-week optimization roadmap. The roadmap is designed to expand your visibility into new neighborhoods and AI-powered search results. And everything runs inside a clear plan. A proven 12-week roadmap that I've used to achieve consistent results with hundreds of home service businesses. Alright, here's the proof. We have hundreds of case studies, Google reviews, and video testimonials on our website, mapranking.com. Here's what that looks like in real numbers. First Choice Plumbing, one of our clients in Florida, generated 140 new first-time calls per month after just 12 weeks of working with us. Now they're ranking average position 2 across 90% of their city. R&C Heating and Cooling in Santa Monica is generating 100 plus new first-time calls per month with top 3 rankings in 88% of their service area. SD Electric Technologies hit a record with 260 new first-time calls in a single month and is ranking top 3 on Google Maps and AI search results across 96% of their city. JM Refinishing is receiving 140 plus new first-time calls per month and is dominating 90% of their service area. These are the type of results that come from real visibility. When you position your company across a larger area and not just right next to your office. Here's what owners say when this starts working.
They were there, every single week when we met and be able to create those pictures, those videos to running their ads on Meta, on Facebook, on Google. And it's just been amazing working with them.
They don't play games. They're good company. I love it. They've been my calls been going up. I was like stuck with calls, and I said, oh wow. And then I started talking to Javier, and this guy, he knows all his stuff, believe me.
He helped us out through the process from A to Z, starting with building or setting up a server that can handle very high volume, very high traffic without the application crashing due to the heavy load.
Ever since I began with them, I had seen an increase in leads from the website, from text messages. I'm also received an increase in calls, overall better traffic coming through to the website. So I can definitely tell a difference so far. I hope things keep up and only get better.
Alejandro was willing to work with me, took me on as one of his clients, and little by little I saw growth. And because I saw this growth, we built a very good relationship, a friendship, and I honestly and wholeheartedly recommend him. I think he does an excellent job. He knows the market and he knows how to get clients.
And that's the goal: less stress, more steady weeks, and more control. Here are 3 common questions that I get all the time on discovery calls. I'm not sure what's best for me, improving organic visibility or running ads, and it depends on your city and the level of competition. In some markets, optimizing your Google Maps visibility alone creates a significant lift in calls. In more competitive areas, we combine Maps optimization with the local service ads or Google search ads to capture additional demand faster. We analyze your market and tell you exactly what makes the most sense for your situation. How fast can I expect results? That depends on your starting point and your market. The best way to give you an accurate answer is to review your current visibility on a strategy call. But here's what we can tell you with confidence. We track everything. Our clients see measurable progress month over month, both in map rankings and in call volume. So you won't be guessing, you'll see the movement. Who is this not for? Brand new businesses. This is not for brand new businesses with no foundation, or businesses that can't answer the phone, or businesses that can't take any more work right now. So if you already get a few calls and you want more of the right ones, this is a strong fit. Book a strategy call. We'll look at your service area, show you what's going on, and tell you what's realistic. And yes, if the phone starts ringing more than your alarm clock, then that's definitely a good problem.